The DRDO has begun procuring equipment and recruiting engineers and crew for the Project Veda program, which is a new satellite launch vehicle designed specifically for the Indian Armed Forces. US Ambassador to India Eric Garcetti has said that the US will send an Indian astronaut to the International Space Station by the end of this year. AZAD Engineering has secured a contract from Gas Turbine Research Establishment for end-to-end manufacturing, assembly and integration of complete assembled advanced turbo gas generator engine based on the Manic engine. Zen Technologies has started trials of a new advanced anti-drone system, specifically designed to counter stealth drones. Security agencies have mounted surveillance on 350 women employees of multinational companies, as they are being targeted by ISIS with the ulterior motive of exploiting them for future sinister plots. The DRDO is all set to start development of advanced turbo gas generator engine for an anti-ship cruise missile that is expected to be completed in 3 years. U.S. Air Force's B-21 Raider strategic bomber conducted ground testing, taxiing and flying operations at Edwards Air Base. Bharat Forge Limited has announced its participation in the development of India's futuristic infantry combat vehicle, joining a growing list of contenders vying for the FICV contract, including Armoured Vehicles Nigam Limited, Mahindra Defence Systems, Larsen & Toubro and Tata Motors. The vehicle will be amphibious, that will allow for seamless movement across water bodies. It will be equipped with a manned turret featuring a future combat system, 30mm automatic cannon, a coaxial machine gun, a stabilized remote control weapon station equipped with a 12.7mm machine gun, and the capability to fire anti-tank guided missiles with a fire-and-forget mechanism. Officials from Bharat Forge have indicated that a potential order for 307 ATAGS might materialize after the upcoming Indian elections. However, uncertainty surrounds the specific variant chosen by the Indian Army for production, as both Tata Defence and Bharat Forge have developed two distinct variants of the ATAGS, and the Indian Army has yet to announce its selection for mass production. Experts have said that the DRDO should consider transferring the technology of male UAV to qualified Indian private sector companies. Sharing knowledge allows private firms to leverage existing technology and accelerate the male UAV development cycle. Private companies can potentially develop male UAVs faster and at a lower cost compared to traditional government-led projects. India's Indoor Air Systems has unveiled its latest Sabal series of unmanned aerial vehicles that are small electrically powered drones that are designed for military logistics operations and battlefield observation. The Sabal-10 and Sabal-20 both feature a low audio and visual signature, making them difficult to detect by enemies. Approximately 65% of the components used in the Sabal UAVs are sourced from India, that not only reduces dependence on foreign technology but also fosters domestic production and job creation. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.